Hello, hello.
Hi? How did I get here? Am I dreaming? Everything's so weird today.
Could you please tell me your name and ultimate title?
Sure, I guess. I'm Simiko, the ultimate VTuber.
Good. Just answer a few questions in this room and I can assure you that you will be safe.
Huh? Sorry, what's gonna happen to me if I don't?
Nothing much, but we'd rather you play along.
It's just answering questions, right? Then, I'm ready.
Good. Question 1. Why do you have horns? They look silly.
Silly? Okay, that's kind of mean and a bit strange as a question, but I have them for my cosplay as my VTuber model. I want my fans to notice me if they see me outside of my streams. You know? I want to meet them since they've supported me a bunch. It's also because I really like the design of my model. Not to brag, but I love how much compliments I get because of it.
Even if the question was an insult?
Were they talking about the horns of my model on streams, or like my cosplay in real life? Like what I'm wearing right now?
However you interpret it, the author didn't give much clarity as to what they meant.
If that's how it is, then, didn't I already answer the question then? I want my fans to recognize me. I just like the design, and I like the compliments. Am I doing something wrong?
It's nothing. Never mind. Question 2. Does your VTuber model crash once and then explode right into your face?
Could you, repeat that?
Okay then. Question 2. Does your VTuber model crash once and then explode right into your face?
Okay, that sounds kind of weird, but no, not really. If my model exploded on my face, I don't think I would be alive. Is that what the question means?
We can count that. Question 3. Out of everyone, who do you like the most?
Do you mean in this murder lab?
Possibly.
Even though I would say Agnes, she can be kind of hurtful to be around. She's honestly sort of classist, which is really bad. She's just sort of not fun to be around. I still think she's nice though, but to actually answer the question. This is hard. Maybe Miyuki and Ryuga? They're both really likable.
Pick one.
Oh, right, sorry. Probably Miyuki then, since Ryuga can be a lot. Especially when he pranks and jump scares people.
Interesting. Despite the question being quite positive, you have a lot of negative things to say about your peers.
Sorry, I just have this stupid thing where I worry too much about negative things.
I see. Question 4. Is there anything you're ashamed of in your VTuber career? Simiko?
Ashamed? What a silly question. I've had some very awkward conversations with other super big VTubers I collab with. It was super embarrassing, but ashamed is a really strong word. There's nothing I'm really ashamed of, you know?
Very well then. Just one more question. After what happened to your genmates, are you feeling alright?
Of course, silly. It happened in the past. I moved on, stronger than before.
Oh, is that really the case? It's not nice to lie to people.
Just let me leave. I don't even know how I got here. I'm tired. Can I just go back home?
You may leave now. To your room only, of course.
Okay.